What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to show you 3 ways how to open your Alfa Romeo Stelvio liftgate, 4 ways how to close your Alfa Romeo Stelvio liftgate, and how to program the lift height and close height of your Alfa Romeo Stelvio liftgate. Now, as simple as this may seem, some people new to the Alfa Romeo brand and new to the Stelvio might not know how to access their 56 cubic feet of space. So let's show you how now. The easiest way to start may be your key fob, since this is a keyless entry car. So on the back, you'll see the car with the ×2 and the trunk open. That is going to allow you to press this twice to either open or close your trunk lid. Now it's going to take a second. It'll give you warning beeps, and then it will let it go down, and it will close very slowly or open very slowly, depending on what you end up doing. So if I press this twice again, you're going to see the same motion very slowly going up. You'll see the indicator lights on the taillights light up, and you will see your trunk lid open up. And once your trunk is open, you have these 2 buttons right here on the right hand side of the upper lid, where you'll see the trunk open indicator and you'll see the locking indicator. Both buttons close your trunk, but one just closes it and the other one locks it. Can you guess which one? Well, the one on the right will close it and lock it, to where if you just want to close it, you can just press the one on the left. Now, if you're wondering what's on the other side of the close and lock buttons on your trunk lid, the battery dies and you don't have any access to your trunk lid to open it when you need to. Well, you can remove that paneling and pull on the trigger there, and that will open up the trunk manually. Now, another way to open and close your trunk that has a little bit more functionality is actually the flip switch inside of the interior of the car on the door paneling, right above the toggle switch for the mirrors. Now, once you use this, it will actually let you open and close it to your desired height. For example, if I wanted to close it because it is open right now, I'll just press the toggle switch down and hold it down. All right, and that's it. Close down, open, up. But if I hold it down, I'm gonna stop once I let go, so I can actually just lower it instead of closing it completely. Same thing with raising it. If I were to lift up on the toggle switch, it will open it until I let go, and then it will actually stop in its tracks as soon as the buttons let go. Now, if I want to close it, obviously I'm going to hold it down, all right, and that's going to close down and open up. But it's a really cool feature to actually let you open and close at your actual, desired height, just in case you don't want to open it all the way, just in case you don't want to close it all the way. You can be in different parking garages or different garages in general, and you can do that to where you don't have to worry about it hitting the ceiling. Alfa Romeo hasn't gotten too fancy to where you can't manually just pull it down and close it that way, all right? So that is still a thing. But you can also manually open it by pressing the button right underneath on the left-hand side, all right? So pressing that button in will give you some beeps, and then it will open automatically. It's not something that you have to pull up. Now, if it goes too high, that's going to be something that we want to change, right? Let's program the actual raise height of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio trunk lid. So right now the trunk lid is at max opening width, all right? So let's actually pull this down manually for a little bit, because this is exactly where we want it to open up, right there. Okay, now that we have it exactly where we want it, we pulled it down manually, so we don't want it to go any higher. We're going to program the lift gate to stay exactly where it's at by going back to the door paneling on the inside, all right, and pressing that switch down and holding it for 5 seconds. Now, once you do that, the indicators will flash, and then it will let you know that you're programmed. So let's do that. 5 seconds. And now that we've held the close button for 5 seconds, the trunk closed. And now we'll go to open it at our new designed height, and you'll see, bam, it only opens up that much. So you can tell the difference between it going sky high in the air and going this far up. Now, I brought this up and wanted to make a video on this because it's different for 2020, all right? The 2021 model year actually uses the switch on the inside of the door, to where the 2020 and below actually use the toggle switch right under here, all right? So that's how you program it. You'll hold that for 5 seconds, but that doesn't work necessarily for this model here for 2021. I made a video on that, and actually let's just test it out so I'll show you guys. All right, so we'll put it back high in the air, okay? And then we'll hold this down for 5 seconds instead. You guys counting? All right, so that's probably been at least 5 seconds, okay? Held that down for 5 seconds. It should work, right? All right, so let's close it and see. So it should open up all the way this time if this worked for this model year. This is how you did it last year, but for this year, it's not gonna work, all right? So if I press it up, it should stop, right? Or, there we go. So look, it stopped, but it's supposed to go all the way up in the air because I held that button for 5 seconds. That would have happened in 2020, but in 2021, they changed it to using the actual door panel. So just to kind of keep you guys on your toes, it's not the exact same way. With that said, hopefully you guys learned something today, and if you did, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on how to open, close, and set your Alfa Romeo tailgate lift height. Now, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, or you can check out the Ron's Rise Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that you don't always see on the channel. And with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, but click that notification bell so you can get more Ron's Rise videos straight to your inbox and you do not miss one. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.